What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to set up a welcome email automation in the Brevo. For that the process is very simple. Just make sure that you click on the link in the description and land over here in this page. Once you're on the dashboard, all you have to do is to navigate yourself to the automations option and click on create your first automation. Wait a second till it loads up. It takes a few seconds. Once it's been loaded up, you have to search for the automation. For example, you can go ahead and say welcome automation, but it doesn't have any because I haven't really made anyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on create automation option, and then it says welcome message. Once it's been welcome, all I have to do is to make sure that the email template language is English, create automation, and once the automation is made, I can put triggers in it. For example, marketing automation. I'm gonna go ahead and select that, identified contacts, and all that stuff, and then click on the next button. It says the trigger, time delay, wait 2 days, and then the text message. This email will go, I can edit the whole email, but I would rather just go ahead and click on confirm. For the conceptual basis we are doing this, we're not going to use it for the practical basis, but this is how you guys can do it. You have set the triggers, you have set the automation. Now if anyone lands in my list, it will get welcome email in the next 2 days according to my automation. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye.